Let's move on to talk about cooking. Do you cook much?
Oh no, I do not cook much. I would like to cook more though, but I have very little time. This is another reason why I miss my mother so much. I really miss her food. I would say half of the time I eat out or take something quick from a food court.
Do you usually follow recipes when you cook?
I try, but almost never. When I cooked, I usually prepare simple things, nothing fancy, but I do not really like to follow a recipe. One of the reasons why I do not like follow recipe is because they have a lot of things in it.
When was the last time you cooked for someone?
Oh, it was a long time ago. I'm not sure, but I think the last time was a cake for my friend. It was her birthday, but I used the wrong white things, the white powder, so the taste was not very delicious. I do not think my friend was very happy with my cake. Oh no, I don't cook much. I've loved to spend more time in the kitchen cooking, but I'm always short of time. This is another reason why I miss my mom so much. I really miss her cuisine. I would say half of the time I eat out or grab something quick from a food court. I try, but I hardly ever do it. When I cooked, I usually prepare simple dishes, nothing fancy. I don't really need to follow a recipe. One of the reasons why I don't like follow recipe is because they have a lot of ingredients. Oh, it was ages ago. I'm not sure. If my memory doesn't fail me, it was a cake I baked for a friend. It was her birthday. Unfortunately, I used the wrong kind of flour and the cake didn't taste good. I don't think my friend was thrilled with how the cake turned out.